All right, so the first step is to create the outer circle. So I'm going to go over to my shapes and I'm going to pick the ellipse tool. And we're just going to come down here and you can see that I can snap to the center of my drawing area. So I'm just going to left click once and it's going to bring up a dialog box where I can put in the width and the height. You can also just drag and drop and then you have to change it. But this way we can just easily come in here and put a 10 by 10 circle. And it starts it at the center there. So we're just going to drag this up until we can line up these two center points here, right? So we want to come in and just put that in the center of our shape. And like we had in the tutorial we did with the rope, we want to change the brush. So I'm going to go over to my brushes, and because we don't have the brush shape, we either have to make it like we did from the tutorial, or if you did watch that tutorial, you know that you can go in and save your brushes. And I'm just going to come down here and pick that rope shape brush that I had before, and I'm going to apply it to my first circle. So there's our outer shape. We're going to go to properties here, and I'm just going to bring this to a half. Kind of like that a little bit better. Maybe point, yeah, let's just do half. So there's the outer shape with the rope, and now we can offset this to put in some text, and we'll show you that next.